Oh, US. Now you're a blogger. Now you're I just say, oh, the minute you show me do coffee. Especially a blogger na unye legal.
And Pennyah said, "Diana, I know ya now fire, and as one cassette through one. I have a chose a code of Yawani and your home. Kevin a corporate teller or by reply to Twene Jonas Young Don. Also, in the couple video are not Twene Jonas or the Canadian Kevin Taylor. I in fact, I say, and this new blogger, ya, because Penyah said, we only munyan say, okay, can't see me with Vinano and a channel. Because of that, Kevin Taylor, I by reply to Twene Jonas. You are sending message also to Young Don. Now, one year, woman, dear. And yes, and deportation in any movie. I have Penyah Brock media. Metro any day. Over like a video, no one over subscribe button. Now, back like a better person. I can't for latest updates. How much I want that mama ever come as message was say, I know I see video money so any be. Ashe. It and some Young Don. I'll be a video will be on many times. All fire Mahama. I'll just doom so about okay. Can I children Emma? Twene Jonas as a club a video. Or can say. Doom son about Mahama on trying to unsolve and yes about fire and about Canadian children on the phobia.
John Mahama buy on team solve doom so on for so unsolved doom so that is what we want to see.
Emma in that same video no. Twene Jonas could I Canadian children Kevin Taylor.
Ghana ni minia for NDC ni MPP for Nkwasiafo. I don't see Nkwasiafo me no amon to kwa say na Ghana for catch me o yes ba akwa friend no akatechi so wakatachi o so wan yes na boduku ha so sama be landing oni NDC ni kwase ye wa yi e friend Kevin so wan om dia bom de ne yes Kevin no ko no tete usuro me ba Ghana airport no me ma state of nation address o romari and me wa why be my face me I ain't scared of nobody. I'm not. Nya fe na me ko tete na me hihye nkofo garage. No, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that. I'm sorry. I'm going to announce it that I'm here. Why a bear man will be facing the Almighty? Intimacy out. Oh, probably not Edina Jimmy, me and me because me only me Jimmy no be to tell us a kind of bronze. You don't blame me. What you say? You don't blame me because Twene Jonas na any deal. The whole Ghana, I mean, popular no. The whole Ghana, I mean, famous no. We NDC new Jimmy, I'm a fire. MPP new Jimmy, I'm a fire. I'm not here for nobody. John Mahama buy ya or ya de me bona baso o Jimmy am fire no ni dum so me ba be gina so because I try to do ye na stop dum so no ye na stop dum so no it is a dum so no one stop me ba be fire. The Almighty Twene Jonas is the most powerful person on earth, whether you like it or not. Anything I will be here, not the mean because with Twene Jonas is the best. Nobody's better at this than me, whether you like it or not. It is the fact.
Kevin Taylor onimu nyansa any other entoko hunu and only a free for aircon ade o hu hia dum so aba was a nyina wode channel fighting for say Mahama be solve but one platform ANC hunu o kan Kevin Taylor. Now that is in same way nyina Anna Kevin Ekobadu Taylor. What na seven so and also there be. Why hwe ha ache sebe obia de second edwananka into this time around the ontenase. It was sending message to Young Don any Twene Jonas any other bloggers bia omo USA a omo person omo ne ono anase Mahama enya beef was sending warning to them.
Thank for say a year. Mimi say no on senko for coming some. And I keep telling people say me. So you're a blogger now you be all Europe or Asia, I'll come as now all US. Now you're a blogger. Now you're just say, oh the minute you show me do coffee. Especially a blogger now unye legal. On say me because for some reason I'm out for me blogging in America me come watch them. Because me need time to spend my time on people who are not legal. Me say me charge ya America ha o ya blogger krom ha na no na odididi o de ball bra wo de nya kakra de cover stick to that. So I just be change the media baba o blogging mu am do be kofie me I will not come and sit here and fight you. Me I don't have time because I only deal with people who are educated, can write their name and understand what is happening. Me no so a blogger America na then I will not sit here, I will not fight anybody on my especially America. Now we illegitimate America a person or ha. We illegal do be kofie. Me, I don't waste time on those things. So I'm sending this warning to all the bloggers in America. We already said, only me babe banter, make sure you are legitimate. So when you're legitimate, I'll come after you. I'll make sure you are taken home. And me, Every state in East Coast, West Coast, I have been there. Majority of the states. It is not difficult for me. Into me, I'm trying to make it easy for you guys. Kakara modina modi nantina mundin sana mo fanko. Mama fanko baby am penifo because baby am penifo no ujimina kohwa yebetiaw. I am sending this message across out of respect and out to say obia bedidi, obia so betumi nya baby atena, refugee bia ho beto no. Criminal bi owo America sebi oni nkrata nyina so ye be ma ne ho ato no Ghana America nti ye nka obi asem it is a wonim penifo a na so wonim se ompe problem stay away and do your foolish thing. Do not bring my name. It is simple as that, because me, I can come to you and take you home. I don't joke around. I'll walk to you and I'll take you home. Then Kevin Taylor, me udi Jimu America, I'll come to you. Yes, I will take it to your doorstep and I'll make sure you will go home before I come. It mean the Sremo, so when you street carnival, na street carnival no. When you Jimmy, because baby, you know, we don't have time for twerps. We don't want nonsense. Into out here America, our blogger be also steady me. I don't go after America bloggers. I don't do that. Because me bufua, I will make sure the Lord deals with you. It takes you home. Me that is it. Inti me information no. Me can't na me stress. But better say Ghana we see bano obitim. Because a chrome had here. I over social BBM, over to my BBM. Obomi D Kevin Taylor. You can do all my background checks. Me when I travel, I go through a year migration. I go through a year all the process. Anything you want to find about me, you can go online and you find it. I have nothing to hide. What about you? Maintain your level. You guys should maintain your level. Penifo, namo penifo blessings are munjin tumna penifo ni shramo. Namuja jimino yeba kroma yenim diako. All right. Now, Bamenka hello chair 1 or 2 people. Mr. P, Mr. S, stay with me, team. Because I just want to more reason to make set record way straight. More reason to make set record way straight. Me America blogger be on phone online. I will never do that. I will take the law to you. If you know you are not legitimate, you are not legal, shut up and do your thing. Never mention my name. Unim say onye legal, onye legitimate. That's why I can say opesa o de be pema. Try never pema na hwade. Me I will not sit here and do banter plus obi a me wo krum ha. I will take you home. Yes. And this is the last warning. I will take you home. Into a blogger of America. It's fine. On time I stay in my lane. I try to avoid hungry people who are trying to make a living. I don't want to take bread from Ayedian slaves. I don't do that. Because God will not forgive me when I take bread from a slave. So I always allow slaves to be themselves. Try and build your own life. Because me, baby, I don't want to come all the way down and then be mingling with slaves. If you know, so what's so boy I didn't know I ready because me I have time, and I can fly within New York to wherever you are within 45 minutes. I'll be there, and I'll make sure that wherever you are, wherever hole you are in, will bring you. So this is not a joke. So we're steady in line of worker. I've never bantered any blogger in America because we are ready. I'm ready amount. Europe before now once in a while I'm at 2 punch be a mom with you crazy. But so about careless will crum her. Maybe a Oma Jimiko team now just say my fro krama we because for krama we are krama we the cement atari to offer and for. And I'm sending that message to all of you. Me, I will not sit here on my platform and fight with an American blogger. Somebody who lives in America and calls themselves a blogger. No. I'll come after you. I'll use the law to come after you. The law. Kede Japan ba krom ha no. Obe yusu mra no. Senka me tie minimum mra na anga Kennedy frustrate me. It will be careless no. Dem de mra na be ye wo no. You will never be happy. And baby I won't dwene say obekọ no. You will go there. Within 24 hours. We can pay for your plane ticket me. Bet me to our ticket me do akofie. So this should be the last warning. This should be the last warning. Last warning. This platform is too huge. It is too huge for slaves to try and because metna ha So consistently, when we say me for deep in territory my platform because I am up there. The problem to making kind tears here, imagine we be I don't have time for stray dogs. I don't deal with stray dogs. Stray dogs come with rabies. They come with a lot of filthy yari. I don't deal with stray dogs. I deal with people who know what they are doing. It's me the one in a wow America. Any blogger. Me, I don't lie about my stuff. Because we have suffered to get to this point. It's me the one in it too. When my Kubisa Kennedy Japan, but the one in it too. I will not spare anybody. Unya was no can any create din di mame. Na so bomb din dia e krom ha ontra ha. Me buade pa o hwe me sa no. I like people. And a majority of the time when I come on platform, I show people love, I support people. And one person so we steady me yo nya me bu amenye for because I like to see slaves eat. I always like to see slaves eat. So with all due respect, and I'm doing it nice today. I am doing it nice. This goes to Ghanaians. I'm going to get legitimate to America. I'm going to blogging. Stay in your corner. Because me my bottom, I've crossed that stage and I'm going to be doing. Me my bottom. Me need soft be obe to me fool. Me need sorry Penyah be obe frame me to me fool. Me need Penyah be obe frame and say Kevin died. That me need side be. It is a soldier also. Me jina also. And everywhere in America, because I'll pull you out, I'll pull you out. So because I will pull you out, I will pull you out. Area kete unya samonka ubeko fie. Adena mon pese mo beko no. Mo bo kelesa mo beko. Today should be the last day. May the ade way to. Today should be the last day. Majority of more slaves now walking on the streets of America, blogging no. It can take me less than how much? It's less than $700 to get to where you are. If I even take and there right now as I sit with you, because I'm a top ticket CCI, it's not going to be more than $1,500. I can get to where you are. So you people need to understand. Take my name out of your production. Simple as that. Me will be numbers. Me enka say me numbers and Kobe and be numbers in Bramho. This is a free world. You can do whatever you want to do. Do not. It's simple. Okay. The next time I come here, when I mention names, they means I'm taking it to you. I'm done here. Because what we can do in this country, we can do so many things in this country. So many things. It's only legitimate. Amam kuta green card kwedo mu kofi. Amam kuta green card. Amam kuta American passport kwedo mu kofi. It maintain. I said I don't want to deal with slaves. I feel pity for slaves, so I respect slaves. It's moke come on seminar. Stay where you have to stay. All right. Now let me say hello to one or two people. Dear Fanchi Shem. Abuache, make ease the tension.
Time I change on Nutrimodin. Kevin intelligence on Nutrimodin pa oni fache and on unya asemo everlasting. Oni ne fed phobia be can say okay, unya you pay the fache dead. And I say access to every tokrobia ewo USA. Oni be bia munyina mo mu din chim ono me ye de bi o media no so. Obe orchestrate obe interpol straight to your deportation. It was the omu heye. The baby omokeka edo mo tam pese be bone de eho ye mfa mo be obezo mo do mo ntoko akoforo no eho eltro ebe pawo mahwe ahwe ma kohwe amene mu eti omu enye very careful obet ma kire wa dwene ama me ewo comment section aha Penyah Media.